Welcome to another episode of Sticky Situation Halloween Edition.
Yay!
Yay, excitement. They're so excited to do. Anyway, for this episode, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking something that we have, we're going to make it creative and make our yard look a little bit cooler this year, because normally we just have like a tombstone in the yard and that's about it. We're not very festive. But this year we're going to try a little bit harder. Anyway, so we have this crate back here that we got from the tank that I bought, and we're gonna actually put it back together and use it one more time before we have to get rid of it. So anyway, let's show you what we got in our creative little minds.
Yay! Yay!
Art. Okay, start with this side over here. So pick up that end. Don't let the tabs get smashed. It's got to go along this back edge here. Fit into the little cracks here. Garrett, come here real quick. On the other side. Bend that one down. See that tab is sticking up? Bend it down. Step on it with your shoe. Or use your hand, I don't know. Something.
Sure.
That would work. Going in on your side over there.
Well, there's one right here,
Okay, don't let them hit the ground too much. Grab the hammer. Hammer that edge in. And bend those tabs on the bottom.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear. Driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear. Like an outlaw on the run, dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no. Keep running.
Cut down a little on that side.
Running low, keep running. I'm running low, keep running. Like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun. Running low, keep running. I'm running low, keep running. Like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun.
Tab's not very straight. So, Garrett, come over here on this side and push that, pull that side out.
Told my boss that I'm done.
Yeah, you gotta get yours to the other side of that.
Say, what will you do with your life?
Garrett,
You
pull
know
that top
it's
side
hard
out.
to survive. A cigar in my mouth. Maybe guilty but proud. Now I'm an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's
pulling this top side out.
Hold on, don't let go. Running, running low. Keep running
Okay, where's that hammer? Hand me the hammer.
running low, keep running. I'm running low, keep running. Like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous, but it's so fun. Running low, keep running. I'm running low, keep running. Like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous, but it's so fun.
Okay, now we have our crate ready to go. Now it's time to put our wild animals inside it, our dangerous wild animals. So let's get to decorating the outside. Gotta drill the breathing holes for the wild animals. That one right on a stud. Okay. Hold on a second. I'll get the video camera right over in there. Okay. Keep going and push on it. Keep it straight. As in straight up and down. Take it backwards or something. Oh no!
This thing's really loose.
Oh! I can't get it out. All closed up.
I mean, it's not that. This was not that hard to put on.
Can't remember. Were there, look inside and tell me if there were slats going across one way or another. So look and see if I cut right here, if I'll go in between them.
You most definitely will not be going in between them.
Oh, so where do I need to move it to make the hole?
Either here or here. Because
So are they going this way? Is
mm-hmm.
it three across the top?
Yep. 3 across there, and they're like really close together.
So if I do like one right here, maybe. I'll hit maybe the other one. Okay, so I want to make it look like there's a wild animal inside of here. We got our air holes, and I'm going to make some claw marks on the sides, so then we can decorate those up. We're going to do that with the chainsaw. So I want to make it look like it's clawing and trying to get out. So this is going to be an interesting thing. Okay, that's it. We got her done. Got our mean wild animal in here. Watch out, he bites. Scary. All right, so we got everything done. Maybe for Halloween we'll put some smoke in there, some lights, something cool coming out. But for now, what do you think, Carrick? Is it scary? Does it look like a monster came and clawed through there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should we put you in the box?
You're a wild animal.
You're a wild animal. All right, well,
He's Violet.
thanks everybody for coming along on this Halloween journey, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.